Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. DSI got listed today. We saw some massive volumes in Drake and Skull. We will discuss that in a while. But as usual, let's start with DFM market index. I'm on the daily chart. And as expected, we are seeing negative reaction day by day. Yesterday, we saw this solid red candle. It could not break past the resistance of 4030 points that I have been mentioning. Previously, this was a support, and when market was trying to break out, it got rejected. It closed below this zone. Even yesterday, when it was trying to break out, it was not successful. And then we are seeing a follow through of selling pressure. Immediate and next support was at 3975. Obviously, this was very much expected. Market would break this easily, and we are seeing a closing below the zone at 3959. So obviously this is negative. Now we are looking at next important support area, that is at 3930 to 3935 points. Let's see when market comes here. If at all it takes a bounce, then we will get a first indication that there are chances market may either go sideways from here and make a move to the upside, or it can either establish a base here and then break to the downside to see 3850 area. Hopefully this does not happen. Market is now way too low. We are seeing rejection right from this zone, that is 4360, and from here market is just going down. Yes, we know it's very negative. Investors and traders are bleeding. If at all you did not keep your stop loss at the proper place, then yes, you must be seeing big losses. However, I would suggest protect your capital as of now, because market cannot keep falling down. There will be definitely a place where market will react, and during that time, if you do not have cash in hand, you will miss the opportunity because your capital will be blocked at the top, and when it reverses, you will not have any liquidity to enter right at the bottom. This is what exactly I have been mentioning to my members as well, that hold your horses. We will get good stocks like I had mentioned yesterday, and we will take proper entries with proper targets. So overall, DFM market index is in a downtrend. More selling pressure is expected. If at all it does not survive at current zone, then we will see 3930 area. If at all you are watching my analysis regularly, then without any doubt, you all know ADX market is in a strong downtrend. It's not holding any important areas of support. We are just seeing it's making new lows every day. So today also we are seeing a red candle. Again and again I have been repeatedly mentioning, when market or index is in a downtrend, even minor resistance areas become a major hurdle. Look at this. Today market tried to break this minor resistance area at 8780 points. It was not able to break out. Check this one. During the day it went up. It reached till about 8768, and then it got rejected from here to close at 8710. As we know, next support area I have already mentioned, that is 8700. That is a round number, psychological support and technical support as well. If this zone does not hold, if at all we don't see a bounce from here, then there are chances it may even come down till about 8653. So biggies like IHC, Q Holding, Multiply have to start performing so that market can reverse. As you are seeing, biggies are not performing. Obviously we are seeing its effect on the market index as well. So from here, let me warn you all, do not see it as bullish. If at all you see a one green candle like this over here, this will not turn market into bullish or into bulls territory, because we are seeing a drop from 9050 points, all red candles. A small recovery or correction is expected so that it can continue its downside momentum. Since we have not seen any correction phase right from this zone, there are chances it may go sideways here, establish a base, and then maybe we will wait for a breakout. For now, ADX market index is extremely bearish. Today, DSI, that is Drake and Skull, got listed. It opened at 0.318. During the first half an hour, we saw some nice buying, but it could not sustain. So let's go down to 30 minutes chart and see how it performed during the day. As I just mentioned, when it opened, we saw some buying, but then immediately selling pressure was witnessed. However, later, somewhere around after 12 o'clock, we saw some buying coming in. This was a relief for DSI, but this is also very short-lived. We can say this is just a correction phase of this move to the upside. Now it can be very tricky. Reason is we saw continuous green candles. We need a correction. So if this is a correction candle, then when it breaks to the upside that is above 0.320, that's when we will say DSI is now starting a fresh trend and this will be very bullish. On the other side, in case if you have taken your entries already or if at all you have bought the IPO, very good. Definitely you must have got profits today. In case if you have bought it today for mid to short term or even for intraday, if at all it breaks the low of this area that is 0.305, then you should be exiting. And if at all you are planning for buying, as I mentioned, we will have to wait for a breakout of 0.320. With this red candle, there are two scenarios here. After this move to the upside, it got rejected at 0.320. Now we are seeing first red candle. If at all it wants to go for a deeper correction, then support area is around 0.303 to 0.305. Or scenario number two, if at all it spends time here, goes sideways, establishes a tight range, we want to see contraction of volatility here. Then we can expect a nice breakout to the upside. This will be bullish. But then if at all it breaks lower and goes below 0.303 to 0.305, this will be negative. There are chances it may even break 0.295 and even go lower. So let's see how it performs tomorrow. It was just a listing day today. So today it traded almost 500 million shares. But now very important is how it performs during the week. That is tomorrow and Friday. So we want to see overall how the closing is, how it performs, whether it's sustaining or it's going down. So this was the quick update on DSI. For detailed analysis and my stock recommendation, join my YouTube membership. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.